Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to change your name on Instagram. Okay, let's start. First, open your Play Store and check update Instagram app. My Instagram app already update. Now open Instagram. Click now profile icon. Click now three dot line. Click here account center. Tap now profile. Select your account. Click name option. Now create your new name. Remember, if you want to change your name again, then you have to wait 14 days. Now click on save. Thank you.